Ceramics 2 are classes that anyone can take. You don't have to be an art major. In fact, most of the people that take these classes are not art majors. I have nursing students who need some stress relief. Maybe they've always wanted to do it and they never got around to trying it out. These classes are open to people with no ceramics experience at all. They start off with very basic techniques such as making a pinch pot or a slab, which is when you roll out the clay into a type of tile. They also do coil building, and then they do combinations of the different techniques that they learn. They are all hand-built techniques, so they make everything by hand. Nothing is done on the pottery wheel. I think it's more fun for the students when their projects have uses and more functional than just a base. So an organizer, something they can put their jewelry in, a butter dish, platters, anything like that. I really want it to be functional to where they can use it in their everyday life. We always have the classes combined, and the Ceramics 2 students are a little more independent than the Ceramics 1 students and have a little more decision making with what types of projects they make. But either way, the class is very fun, and you leave with a lot of goodies for yourself or to give as gifts.